Oh, we're back. One of the things I learned when I was going through, I I had one of your fellow students. He was having issues with his Wiley Plus. It might be I had some kind of draconian homework, thing on there where you couldn't go in, whatever. But we're looking at it, and I got on his Wiley Plus, and I wanted to point out a few things real quick before I go on any further with some of the things that are on Wiley Plus for you all. So if I go to Wiley Plus here, which you can do, you can click on your Wiley Plus, and I'm going to go to the edit mode is off, so that this is what you see. If you come to your Wiley Plus Read, Study, and Practice, it's a good place to go. Read, Study, and Practice. You can come here and go, okay, let's see. There's all kinds of stuff in here that you can do. So you come down here to Chapter 2. All right, this is in the Read, Study, and Practice. You come down to Chapter 2, and look at here. Here is your MCAT test. You can, I don't know what it looks like. So next, I mean, there it is. There it is for you. Okay. And so I'm not going to waste my time publishing that for you. All right. And you also have all kinds of problems. So if you come to the problems, and I was even using his book earlier because I couldn't, for some reason Blackboard wouldn't let me log off, and I had a YouTube, the 11-minute video that you just saw loading, and I couldn't log off. But if you come to some of these, you can access all these problems. You can access all the problems in here, and you can find the answer. You can practice and find the answer to them, and here's the work solution to it. So why I picked these problems, I have no idea, but there it is. And you have these options. All right. So you've got all kinds of ways to practice, and look at this. So I picked all these Go things. Wow. Your assignment should be your homework should be pretty easy because I picked all the ones that said Go. Oh, well, so, here we are. 50-year-old completes, how far did this 50-year-old complete a 10-kilometer? Okay. A tourist, I love this. Chase by name. But anyway, I just wanted to show you some of the things that you have in here. All right, so that I don't have to publish a bunch of stuff for you. You bought it. Hell, you bought it, use it. Okay, because I was using the student one, not this instructor one, and it had all these things available. Now, the one thing you do not have, let's return to Blackboard, and let's go to my tab. And so let me click off the edit mode. One of the things you do not have is I've got this Wiley Plus Prepare and Present. You don't have that. Now, in this Wiley Plus Prepare and Present, I don't want to, I don't like playing I Got a Secret. So we'll go to 2 and the PowerPoints and go. All right. And here's the interactive lecture questions that I used earlier. And here's reading quiz questions that I can, and here's the presentation. Now, what I can do is I will give you the reading quiz questions in the power. I'm not going to do the interactive lecture questions. I like those, right? But here you can have the PowerPoint notes and stuff like that, the things I never use. Well, except I did use some. I can, if I hit that, I can hit OK. And there's loading. It's loaded, and I can go File, Save. Save as. Sorry, you're having to watch me do all this. Okay, give me a save as now. There we go. And let's save it to my desktop. And let's call it Chapter 2 PowerPoint. Oh, Chapter PP, Chapter 2 PowerPoint. Okay, and I'm going to save that to my desktop. Save. All right, and then we're going to come here. and click off and go to return to Blackboard. And let's go to the course content. And let's build the content here. What is this? How to find your ebook. Oh, okay. That was me. Sorry. Entire course. Oh, here's the entire course videos from 2009. Different book, but let's build content. Let's build a content folder here. And let's call these PowerPoint slides. Let's come down here. Build content, build a file, chapter 2. Open a new window, chapter 2. Browse computer. Desktop. There it is. Oops, there it is. Bang. Hopefully this will work. Hit submit. Okay, so that's loaded for you. Now let's go back to Wiley Plus. Sorry, I wish there was a way I could just go back to it, but I can't do it. So I'll come down here to my prepare and present because I'm supposed to be prepared like I was yesterday. That was embarrassing. Prepare and present all Wiley, PowerPoint, go. What was the other thing I said I'd do? Your reading quiz questions. We'll load that up. Okay, so these are reading quiz, and you can test yourself. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and save this, save as. Get into my desktop. And this will be Cutnell reading quiz. For chapter 2. And then I want to make sure it works. I'm sorry I'm making you all sit through this, but I want you to know where the stuff is and that I don't want to play I Got a Secret, and we'll do this again for chapter 3 when we get there. So we'll return to Blackboard and go to the course content. So we'll be in your course content and come down here to the PowerPoint slides. File. Let's see. Yeah, file. Search. Browse. Come on now. There we go. Open. There you go. Open in a new window. Bang. Now, let's see if it works. So when you come here, you click on this. Should come up. Okay. Opens in a new window. And then what you want to do, though, to help you go through these things, is you want to go to slideshow and you want to go play from current slide. So you come on. And then it'll work for you. Okay? And you can have, and that's a good review for you all. All right? So I'm going to go ahead and close. So this is lesson 2.